My name is Robert Tenenbaum. When I was 2 years old in 1939, my parents and I escaped from Nazi Germany to America on board the Queen Mary ocean liner. The Queen Mary was the only ocean liner which had its own synagogue with a Torah ark as well as a kosher kitchen. I was too young to remember if we went to pray in that synagogue, but I know that because the ship made Jews welcome, we were able to survive and start a new life. Just like the ark houses the sacred Torah scroll, the ship protected what was most precious to me, my family. When I grew up, I became an architect. I have designed many buildings where families like mine could live and work safely.